Hello everyone. Today we are going to work on charts. Now, first you have to create a simple table related to chart. So just watch on this screen. There's a simple table chart. So now what we have to do? We have to use chart option. Where we get chart option? We get chart option in insert tab. Click on the insert tab. Here you will get chart option. Now look, you have variety of chart here. Click on the insert, you will get chart. So most simple chart is 2D column chart. Just take it. You can drag and drop your chart anywhere according to your requirement. So I want to keep it here. Now here you can give the background color also if you want. You can change the color also. You can give background color like this. So this is my report card here, but main content is that here you have to change. Double click on it. This is report card. Report card. And okay, fine, but still you want to change many things. Click on the chart. Here you will get plus icon. Click on it. You will get access title. Click on access title. Look, both side you will get something to add. So these, just write down what they are. They are subjects, and here they are marks. Select, write marks. Look, and this is the whole area is called chart area. Now still many things is left. These are the basic things. You can add them to your chart. This is a chart title, already it's given. This is a data label. When you click on the data label, on the column, above the column, you will get how marks of those students. Look, Ram have scored 50 marks in maths, so you will get 50 marks here. Okay, so everything you are getting on graph. So now we have to discuss some basic things. What is graph? What is chart? Actually, chart is a pictorial representation of your data. If I hide this chart for a moment, look, this chart, this table. Can you explain who is scoring more marks, who is scoring less marks, who is in middle? When you see the numbers, that time you are not able to understand properly who is scoring more and who is getting less marks. So comparison become very tough. But when you use chart, it helps you to understand your data. You can easily understand who is scoring. You can analyze. You can do comparison between many people. So here you can comparison. Like I want to compare in maths, so I can say that blue is related to Ram and this one related to Mohan. So here Ram is scoring more marks than Mohan. So here you can compare easily, and you can add many things. You can add data table also if you want in your chart. So error bars also, but there is no need to use error bars. And trend line, there's no need to use trend line also. Trend lines tells you that your data is travel low to high or high to low something, but there's no need to add. So this is a simple table. Here you can do one more thing. Click on, right click on it, and format chart area. Here you can fill color according to your need, which one, whatever you want. Second, you can use gradient fill. I like gradient fill, so I can take gradient fill color. So here you can modify your chart also, but this is not important. We have to do other things also. Go to the design tab, insert. Now we don't have to go insert. No, we don't have to go layout, formulas. No, we have to go in design. Look, already we have colors and design. When we take this, you can change the color of your graph like this. It is up to you which color you want. Look, it is changing, monochromatic, and I want this. Yeah, I want this. I can take this. Here you have this option. These are the chart style. Which type of style you want? They make your chart beautiful. Look, it is looking very good. This also you have. This is also best. All are good. It is your choice which you want to take, and you can take this one also. So here you can modify your chart differently. So chart is a tool. In an insert tab, which help us to do comparison between people, between data. Now, how will you create chart? Simple. Select your table. Now I'm going to tell you. Select your table. Click on the insert. Now I will take another chart. I show you I can take many charts. I have radar, I have pivot chart, I have bar chart, pie chart. So I have so many charts. But best one, it it is bar chart. You can take bar chart. You can take all this one also. So again you have to modify it like this. So now I hope you can modify. You can read watch all the steps. Now what you have to do? There are a line chart also. If you want, you can create line chart also. Location range, this is range. Okay, here's some error. Okay, leave, we are not using. So here you can use line chart, column chart, or many things are here. Yes, now here is, click on the chart again. Now you have design tab, and now you have format tab. Here you can use shapes and these other option also. You can format your chart also. Suppose I want just going characters, I can take this option, and I want to take this, you can take. This is not so good, so just take this. So look, your chart is highlighting now, and it is looking different from earlier. Here you can use, you can fill color inside it. In a previous class you have learned this. You can give glow, shadow, and glow. Look, like here you can resize your chart also, and you can minimize your chart also according to your need and requirement, like this. So the now last thing is that how will you print your chart? If I want to print your chart, I will press Control P. When I do this, I get the chart, but here I don't have chart, so I have to change the landscape orientation. Now I have this. So in a print preview, I will have to do some changes. I have to just remove, delete, yes, and just do it little bit small. Now file, print, and you will get like this. If you take orientation, you will get your table like this. Okay, still you are getting table, you are not getting whole things. So just do this thing. Now again click on print. Now this is your table. Now you can change the orientation also. This, you can get your table and your chart in a printing option. Printing option is, when you are using printing option, be careful, because first before printing your worksheet or your chart, you have to set up the page. Means you will have to see how much it is visible, how much is what is the preview of your chart before printing. Always check, then do. So now here are some shortcut key for the printing is Control plus P. Control plus P is the shortcut key for printing, and Control plus S is the shortcut key for saving your file. Control plus S is the shortcut key for saving your file. Thank you everyone for watching this video.